Malaysia, we are truly lucky to be here in this beautiful country we call home. Great people, beautiful cultures, amazing places to see, and of course, yummy food.
Okay. Hey, sorry, shooting. I call you back. Hi, everybody. I'm here at MCIS Insurance Berhad, and in conjunction with Malaysia Day, we're going to meet some staff and ask them some very simple questions about Malaysia. So let's see if they get it right. Okay, got a simple question for you. You know our Jalur Gemilang, our Malaysian flag. So what color stripe comes first? Is it red or is it white?
I think it is red.
Red.
The red come first. First color is red.
Merah ke putih? Jalur Gemilang.
Merah tu?
Hah? Oh, dah ada
Merah.
ni. Okay.
Merah.
Siapa? Ille வெள்ளையா?
கீழ இருந்தா இல்ல மேல இருந்தா?
மேல இருந்துதா?
Red.
Alright, next question. You know on our flag there is the star, right? So how many points are there on the star? Is it 13, 14 or 16?
Such an easy question.
Oh,
14 of course.
14.
hey, have to count. Oh.
Not enough toes. 14.
Should be 14.
14?
14. யோசிக்காமலே சொல்றாங்க. Last question.
Okay.
Malaysia established 1963 or 1965?
1963 1963 confirm.
I think 63.
63. 1963.
Hey, so it looks like everybody here at MCIS Insurance Berhad knows the answers. Well done, MCIS. So, on behalf of MCIS Insurance Berhad and myself, we'd like to wish you Selamat Hari Malaysia. Happy Malaysia Day. Have a good one.
Selamat Hari Malaysia. We love you, Malaysia.